Welcome to Ted's Dixie Sheds channel. Moving a shed doesn't have to cost a fortune or require heavy machinery. In this video, Ted from Dixie Sheds shows you how to move a shed using nothing more than PVC pipes. When it comes to moving sheds, there's all kinds of specialized equipment available. Dollies, trailers, even hydraulic lift systems. But let's be honest, that gear can get really expensive, and not everyone has access to it. If you're looking for a simple, budget-friendly method, there's always good old PVC pipe. Believe it or not, moving a small or even a fairly large shed with PVC pipes is easier than you might think. This trick has been used for centuries with logs to move buildings and heavy objects, and the same principle applies here. This method works well on concrete, dirt, or grass as long as the ground is fairly level. It's also great for sheds with no floor or with a floor built on skids. The key is using the right pipe. Go with Schedule 40 or stronger, and remember, the larger the diameter of the pipe, the smoother and easier the shed will roll. Here's how it works. First, jack up the shed just enough to slide a pipe underneath. Start with 2 or 3 pipes. To help guide the shed, you can set the front pipe at a slight angle. Now push from behind, and you'll notice how little effort it actually takes. Just make sure you're pushing against solid framing, like wood or metal, so you don't dent or damage the siding. As the shed rolls forward, the pipes will work like rollers. When one pipe comes free from the back, simply move it around to the front and keep going. It's a leapfrog process. Roll, replace, repeat until the shed is right where you want it. One extra tip: always move slowly and check your path ahead of time. Clear out rocks, stumps, or dips in the ground to avoid surprises. And that's it. A simple, low-cost way to move a shed without breaking your back or your wallet. Thanks for watching. And if you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to Ted's Dixie Sheds channel for more DIY shed building and construction tips.